Fox 31's Greg Nieto. He's been in Elizabeth tonight. Hard hit out there. Let's get an update from you, Greg.
Yep, we are literally stopped in our tracks here, Jeremy. At 5 o'clock, we were in Elizabeth, trying to make our way to the Elbert County Fairgrounds. As you can see here in your picture, Highway 86 closed by the Elbert County Sheriff's Office due to adverse conditions. We see some folks that have stopped and are being allowed through. Most of them are snowplows or emergency responders. But again, the conditions down here continue to worsen as the hours progress. We're live, though, in Elbert County. Greg Nieto, Fox 31.
All right, Greg, thank you.